In this video, I will present how to georeference image to image using Ardas Imagen. So first we open the images, both one we have georeferenced and other one ungeoreferenced. So we have two images, one is georeferenced and another one is ungeoreferenced. So we can check that this one is ungeoreferenced. So we click on metadata. Here we see that it has unknown projection system. It is not georeferenced. And this one has UTM zone 43. So now using this image we georeference this image. In order to georeference we click on multispectral, then we click on control points, metric model. So we click on polynomial, then click on OK. We use here image layer. Now click on OK. Now click on OK and close. Here now we zoom out both images. Here we change the band combinations. We can easily see this feature in this image. So we can add the GCP point here and here. So in order to add GCP we click on this button. Here we click on this and then here. So our first GCP point is marked. Then we add second GCP and we add this GCP there. Now we add our third GCP here. So here we add our fourth point. Uh, so we have added a 4 GCP point here, and by default software add the 4 GCP point here. So our next step is click on this button and here we give the output file name. So change our directory, on OK. Now we add our georeferenced image. Now we check its metadata. Now we can see that our projection system UTM 3, UTM zone 43 is added. So now it is georeferenced.